In the fast-paced world of business, one skill stands out above all others: effective communication. It has the power to transform relationships, ignite productivity, and propel businesses towards unprecedented success. But what is the true essence of effective communication? Picture this: a workplace where teams collaborate seamlessly, where ideas flow freely, and where everyone feels valued and heard. This is not a utopia. It's not an impossible dream. It's a reality that can be achieved through effective communication. Effective communication is not just about the words we say, but the intent behind them. It's about listening actively, seeking understanding, and responding with empathy. It's about fostering an environment where ideas are welcome, conflicts are resolved, and relationships are strengthened. When we communicate effectively, we break down barriers and bridge gaps. We build trust, inspire confidence, and create a sense of belonging. Our words become the catalyst for change, propelling our teams towards shared goals and driving our businesses to new heights. So, how can we unlock the power of effective communication? It starts with self-reflection. We must examine our own communication styles, identify areas for improvement, and be open to growth. Are we truly listening, or are we simply waiting for our turn to speak? Are we clear in our message, or are we leaving room for confusion? To inspire effective communication, we must embrace the art of active listening. We need to listen, not just with our ears, but with our eyes and our hearts. Let's give our full attention to others, seek to understand their perspective first, and respond thoughtfully. By doing so, we create a space where everyone's voice is valued and where collaboration thrives. Effective communication is not just about talking, it's about asking the right questions. So let's be curious, let's seek clarity, and let's encourage open dialogue. By asking insightful questions, we invite diverse perspectives and encourage critical thinking. We show our team members and customers that their opinions matter and their ideas can shape the future. As leaders, it's our responsibility to foster a culture of effective communication. We must lead by example, demonstrating active listening, clear messaging, and open dialogue. Let's encourage feedback, welcome diverse viewpoints, and create an environment where everyone can flourish. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful business and beyond. It breaks down barriers, cultivates trust, and unleashes the true potential of our teams. So let's rise up to the challenge, embrace the power of effective communication, and create a future where collaboration thrives, innovation soars, and our businesses go on to great things. More than ever before, now is the time for effective communication. Let's inspire, connect, and communicate our way to a brighter, more successful future. Together we can achieve greatness through the power of our words. And remember, effective communication will always determine the response you get.